Hyperflash. This is what happens when you change your stock turn signal light into LED or LED turn signal light. But there's a solution for this. All you need is to find a relay that works with your motorcycle model. But if your motorcycle has a non-LED or LED dash indicator light, you might need this diode kit. This diode kit will prevent your dash indicator light and turn signal light malfunction, unless your turn signal dash indicator light is already LED or equipped with LED bulb. But if it's not, this diode kit is a must to control a voltage load on your dash indicator light. In this DIY video, I would like to show you how to properly install the relay and the diode kit for this Yamaha V-Star 1100 Classic to fix the Hyperflash and make the operation smooth. Okay. So I'll start by removing this fuel tank and unplug this wire harness of the multi-function meter. Looking for the flasher relay, I found two in front of the air filter box. So one of these two relays is the flasher relay. And based on my research, this is the flasher relay with a code number of FB257H. Again, flasher relay code is FB257H. And here's the new relay that I bought. You can easily find this relay by just clicking the link in my description box. And by the way, this relay has only 2 pins, because I only need 2 wire pins from the stock relay. And there's no need to splice or cutting wires. So to begin, I only need to remove 2 wire pins from end to end using this mini flat screw head. Figuring out to remove these wire pins is to press the clip lock, then pull the wire or wire pin. And that's how easy it is. There you go. And here comes the second wire. There you go. Like I've said, I only need 2 wire pins. The color is brown. It is a solid brown. And the second wire is brown with a white line. So I'm going to test this relay first before I'm going to fix them in place. So here's the white brown wire, and here's the solid brown. So I'm gonna use this white brown wire to that letter L pin based on the diagram. Means indicator switch. The one with the positive sign is the supply, where that solid brown wire goes with. and then installing the stock relay back to where it belongs. And now time to turn this on and see the result. And yes, the Hyperflash is fixed. Look at that. And let me check out the rear turn signal lights. And there you go. How about the right turn signal light? Let's check this out. All right. And now there's a tree relay that I need to hide. So again, this is the relay that fixed the Hyperflash. You only need 2 pins of this kind of relay. And then I'm going to use a shrinkable tube to cover that bare metal of that relay and the wire or wire pins. So after covering the bare metal or wire pins with shrinkable tube, here is the place or the location that I put this relay. I also used a zip tie to hold this relay in place. And the next part of this video is fixing the dash indicator light using this diode kit. So if you guys have not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button so you will be notified once I upload my next DIY video. How to fix the dash flasher indicator light. Actually, there are 2 options. One is to install a diode kit, and the other one is to disable the dash flasher indicator light. And that is not an option for me. So I decided to start a DIY and find these wire colors. So instead of cutting or splicing wires underneath my fuel tank, I decided to cut the connection underneath my seat. In that way, if there's any problem with the wire connection, it is easy to pull. Just remove the seat and there you go, you can troubleshoot the wires. So I'm going to cut the green with the gold marker. And then the brown with a gold marker. And time to splice these wires for connections. Now this diode kit is ready, so I install a shrinkable tube to cover the splice wire once it connected. So the blue wire of the diode kit goes to the green that close to the plastic connectors. And these 2 red wires from the diode kit will connect to the brown and green wire. So if you notice, the brown wire that close to the white plastic connector is not connected to the diode kit, but I will show you later why. And correction about the color, actually it's the green with a gold marker and the brown with a gold marker. So that's the red to brown with the gold marker, and now this is the red goes to the green with the gold marker. And now that the diode kit is connected, the blue goes to the green with a gold marker close to the plastic or white plastic connector, and the other end is the red, the two red color connects to the brown with gold marker and the green with gold marker. Now that the shrinkable tube is secure and tight, time to do the next step. And now if you guys thinking about the brown with the gold marker, where is this going to connect? So what I did is I cut the black with the gold marker wire and splice it and connect to the black with the gold marker. So the brown with the gold marker goes to the black with a gold marker, because actually they are the same negative connection. Because I need to hook this brown with the gold marker to a negative wire. That's why I choose the black with a marker or a gold marker for the negative connection. And that makes sense, right? Make sure to properly cover the wires. It's better if you use a shrinkable tube. It's much easier. And as you can see that the black with the gold marker wire that I cut, I hook up with the black wire that comes with the diode kit. And this black connector, I will connect it to the brown with the gold marker. And now that all the three shrinkable hose is in place, it's time to use a heat gun. And now that all the connection is in place, it's time to test the dash indicator light or the dash flasher indicator light. And it's working. No more Hyperflash. So it means the DIY operation diode kit is a success. Now time to cover this with electrical tape. And let's try it again. I'm so happy. This DIY is so successful. So again, thanks for watching guys, and I hope this video helps. Please don't forget to hit that like, and also don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you will be notified once I upload a new DIY video. Soon, I'll be right back.